Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Muskan Kapoor, director and co-founder of the Angels Paradise preschool chain in Amritsar, emphasizes the importance of an age-appropriate curriculum and holistic child development. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. So today we have with us Ms. Muskan Kapoor, director and co-founder, Angels Paradise preschool chain, Amritsar. So welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's the experience being here?
It was awesome, and I always feel that when we are in this field of education, we should always be in this energy where we can share our own expertise and knowledge and where we can gain from others also. So it's a wonderful platform.
So now you own a chain of, preschools. So there are many preschools in the market now, but what makes Angel Paradise stand out in terms of curriculum design or child-centric learning?
First of all, Angels Paradise was conceived when there were no special preschools in Amritsar. So that is where we stand really unique. Another thing is that I have done my graduation from Mumbai and I have specialized in early childhood education, which is absolutely a specialization required for running preschools.
Right.
So जैसे हम जानते हैं कि जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं पेडियाट्रिशियन के पास जाते हैं जीपी के पास नहीं जाते बिकॉज उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है कि माइलस्टोन्स क्या है किस टाइम पे क्या बच्चे के लिए ज़रूरत है सो दैट इज़ वेयर आई फील दैट आई हैव डन वंडरफुल वर्क ऑन चिल्ड्रन their curriculum and their overall growth.
Absolutely. And my next question to you would be how do you ensure that each center under your umbrella is, maintains the consistent quality and the nurturing environment that Angels Paradise is famous for?
See, it all depends on the engine. तो जितना पावरफुल इंजन रहता है तो डब्बे भी उसी लाइन में चलते हैं पीछे पीछे सो वी ऑल मेक श्योर दैट वी आर ऑलवेज इमर्स्ड इन दिस फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन वी कीप लर्निंग वी कीप ग्रोइंग एंड वी पास द सेम ट्रेनिंग ग्रूमिंग एंड नॉलेज टू आवर टीम एज वेल एंड थैंक्स टू कोविड I would like to say that online trainings have become much easier.
Right.
So on Zoom, I train all the teachers, the staff, and that makes things uniform all over. Then we have lots of technology nowadays where we can assess how things are being worked. And then personally also we go and visit to keep in check that the quality and the uniformity is maintained.
Okay. And in the next 5 years, how do you see yourself and your school of preaching?
So we are planning to go pan India. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो सुंदर एजुकेशन सिस्टम हम प्री स्कूलर्स को यहाँ पंजाब और हरियाणा में दे पा रहे हैं हम पूरे इंडिया तक पहुँचे और इतनी सुंदर जो फाउंडेशन ईयर्स होते हैं बच्चों के जिनमें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है प्री स्कूल तो हम ये ब्यूटीफुल एजुकेशन सिस्टम हर बच्चे तक पहुँचा पाए.
Absolutely, ma'am. And I wish you all the best for that initiative. And thank you so much for being here today and enlightening us with your words of wisdom. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send hi on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.